Good morning, boys and girls of every age. Now it's Sunday, and we love to read stories on Sunday. We're going to read an Anansi story to you that was created by Irie Meckins, our destination, Jamaica, as you know us. We grew up on Anansi story and we decided to do our own. The inspiration comes from the beautiful blue fields in our Westmoreland. All right, let's begin. It's dedicated to the children at Mount Airy Primary and Infant School in Negril, Westmoreland. Big up on yourself. Now let's go start the story. And it's in Patwa. This is the Patwa version, but you can also get the English version. So, make we begin now. In our little village, them called Bluefield, one crab did tangle up in our rope. In ball out. Help me, help me. I don't want them eat me. I don't want it. But it never made no sense because nobody never could understand crab language. Well, only one little spider could understand. The little eight-legged spider there, you see, could understand every language in the animal kingdom. Him hear the crab a ball and fast. Him let go in piece of string and swing like one monkey for go to the crab. Me will help you, him say. If only the crab did know, say Anansi was like a snake under grass. The crab looked upon him good and say him did 5 times bigger than the spider. Him did want the help, but never think say that little spider could have helped him. How you are gonna help me? Well, me and a normal spider, you know. My name is Anansi. I'm a full of magic. Oh, never hear about you yet, Anansi. The crab still never believe. Him look all about, but no other animal never dey boat. Him let out one big sigh. All right, do your thing. Yeah, man. Me I go for me magic pot and you I go get for go home today. And Nancy swing way before the crab could ask him nothing and use him strong web, them bring back the pot. The crab take a good look on the pot and catch him afraid. And them things, yeah, him granny tell him to stay away from. This is not one normal pot, you know, crab. This is one magic pot. And Nancy tell the crab to make sure him stay in the pot, no matter how hot it gets. When it get hot, it means that the magic will work. All right, the crab say, though him never sure. And him take him little time go in at the pot as Nancy cut the rope. Me in there, the crab say. Up move, Anansi say. I have to cover the pot so the magic can work faster. Anansi covered the pot with the crab, the seawater, and the seaweed them. The crab feel the pot start move and thinks that the magic start work. After that, it feel the water start get warm. Then it start get hotter and hotter. Whoa! The crab ball out. And the magic can work. You so reach home now. Then it get hotter and hotter. The crab ball out more. Wait, tat. Anytime no, Anansi shout out. The crab did trust Anansi, so him try hold down the balling. But when it get too hot, him shout out, in your hot like hell, it hot. Anytime now, you so no feel nothing. The crab start doze off. You start feel sleepy, don't? You so reach, man. Same time, the crab knock out. knock right out, and Anansi opened the pot fast, fast. Later, when him rub him belly, him think to himself how him never have a dinner so nice before. So what do you think happened to the crab? Make we know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this story, please let us know. Thumbs up. Leave a comment. You can get this book by ordering directly through us. We'll leave all the information in the description below. And it's a 2-in-1 book. We have some, Patwa proverbs that basically wrap up the lesson in Anansi, in this Anansi book. And then if, the kids probably are big kids or little kids want to change the ending, you can write your own ending here. And then we have a coloring section where you can color and have some fun. All right, so that's it with Auntie, Destination Jamaica. We hope you had a good time listening and, seeing the visuals of the story. We have so much more to come your way, so just check out our channel later, our channel later for more, all right? As we always say, until then, take care of yourself and each other. And chat a little later. Zine?